everyone, welcome back to the Filmstock's YouTube channel, and today we are showing you a brand new pack just for your videos. If you don't already know, we are Chris and Christina, and we are here to help you make better videos and empower your inner video creator.
With this new pack, you can add graphics and titles to your videos and make them look like this. As always, we're going to jump into Filmora to show you how you can use the Games World pack to enhance your own videos.
Remember that you will need Filmora 10, so make sure you have your own version of that. You can download it from the website, or there's also a link in the description. You will also need the Game World pack. The link for that is also in the description. And when you have both of those things, you'll be able to get started with the Game World pack. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so let's show you some of the features of this pack using Filmora 10. Remember that in order to find the pack, it will be under Filmstock in each of the sections. So when you go to titles, make sure to click on Filmstock. That will bring up all of your downloaded packs, and then you can find the Game World pack right there. And it's the same with the transition section, the effects section, and the element section. So starting with titles, we have lots of really cool sci-fi themed titles that would be great for your videos, especially if you do videos about gaming or space or anything sci-fi related. These titles would be a great option for you. We have many pop-up titles. Some pop up in the middle of the screen. Some are more lower third titles that pop up from the bottom or the side. But they are super colourful, have these really cool effects going with them as well. And adding titles to your video is just a really great way to give some more information. So as you can see, just like I have done here, you can add a title like this as a little lower third title just to give some more information. It's very easy. All you have to do is drag whatever lower third title you want on top of your footage. You will also be able to resize it or reposition it depending on where you want it to be in your video. And it's super easy to customize. All you have to do is double click and you can change the text to, well, whatever you want. So with any of these titles, you can customize by changing the text. Super easy. It's all done for you. All you have to do is customize it to your liking. There are, of course, these full screen titles as well that you could maybe use for a video intro. And again, they have that really cool sci-fi feel to it, just that really futuristic feel as well. So you can use any of these two options. All you have to do, again, drag it onto your timeline, and you can change the text on this one to whatever you want. Maybe it's a title for your video or a little segment title. You can pop it on there and make it really easy. Okay, moving into the transitions section, let's find our Game World pack under Filmstock. And we have two transitions with this one. Super simple, but also very cool. These little graphics that fly across screen that help you transition from one clip to another. So you can see that I have done this a few times in these clips. So with this one, you can see the rocket fly across space, and this helps to transition to the next clip. Super easy, super simple. All you have to do is again drag that transition, place it in between the two clips that you want to transition from and to, and that's it. The next part in the effects panel, let's find Game World pack, and again we have two little overlay effects here. So these would just be placed on top of your footage, and it gives this really cool sci-fi look to it. And again, there's not too much that you need to do with this one, it's just a matter of dragging it over the top of your footage, and it would look something like this. It gives it that sort of retro gaming feel to it. So you have 2 choices to play with on that one. Finally, in the elements section, again, let's find our Game World pack. And in this one, we have many different graphics that you can add to your videos. There's actually a great selection in this one, so we have lots of little things that like to fly around the screen, all your little gaming elements that you would need. Again, remember, this pack works very well with space-related things as well. So we've got some really cool cartoon planets here too. So you can really use these graphics in whatever way you like. You can have them move across the screen, which you can do by creating keyframes. You just go to this part right here, and that will allow you to create your keyframes to move things to a certain position. It might look like it's flying across the sky if you would like to do it that way. So yeah, use these in whichever way you like, get creative with it. They can really add something extra to your videos. Again, I like to mention this with all the Filmstock packs because it's something I do a lot, and that is to combine elements. One of the best things about these packs is that you can customize them, right? You can make them your own. And what I like to do is just put elements together. So you can see, just like this as an example, I've used a title from this pack and an element from this pack, put them together, and it just works. So that is something that you should keep in mind when you're adding these to your videos. Don't be afraid to combine and, of course, customize. Hopefully you found that helpful and now you're ready to use the Game World pack in your videos.
So that is just a few examples of how you can use the Game World pack to enhance your own videos. So go ahead, try it for yourself and get as creative as you want.
If you have any questions about this pack, do drop them in the comments below. Keep creating and we'll see you in the next one.